Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So let's get into it. First of all, open Chrome browser. At the top right, click More icon. Click More Tools. Then select Clear Browsing Data. Click Advanced. At the top, choose a time range. To delete everything, select All Time. Next to cookies and other site data and cache images and files, check the boxes. Click on Clear Data and that's it. Wait for Chrome to do its thing, and then try to reload the website that was giving you problems earlier. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.